Poop's crappy, no good, rainy day.
Today's my big day. I'm off to the wastewater treatment plant. Wish me luck. Next stop, Turd Town. La 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 la.
Not so fast, Poop. It's pouring.
Oh no, stormwater messes with my flow. Not the overflow. Oh no! Ah, crap.
When it rains, it poops. Into parts of the Hudson. New York City alone dumps 21 billion gallons of raw sewage into local waterways every year. That's enough to fill the Empire State Building 72 times.
Yikes!
Plus, some more from cities upriver.
Oh.
When it hasn't rained, you can swim in most of the Hudson.
Hooray!
Help us keep poop out of the Hudson.